How to use hashtags to make your videos go viral. In today's digital age, creating viral content is the ultimate goal for many content creators, brands, and influencers. With platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter dominating the social media landscape, the competition for attention is fierce. One of the most effective tools to boost your video's visibility and increase its chances of going viral is the strategic use of hashtags. But how exactly can hashtags help your videos gain traction? Let's dive in. Why hashtags matter. Hashtags are more than just trendy phrases preceded by a # hash. They are powerful tools that categorize content, making it discoverable by a wider audience. When used correctly, hashtags can increase visibility. Hashtags help your videos appear in search results and trending topics, exposing them to users who aren't following you yet. Target specific audiences. By using niche or industry-specific hashtags, you can reach people who are genuinely interested in your content. Boost engagement. Videos with relevant hashtags tend to get more likes, comments, and shares, which can signal to algorithms that your content is worth promoting. Join trends and conversations. Trending hashtags allow you to tap into popular conversations, increasing the likelihood of your video being seen by a massive audience. How to use hashtags to make your videos go viral. Research trending hashtags. Stay updated on trending hashtags within your niche or on the platform you're using. Tools like TikTok's Discover page, Instagram Search and Explore, or third-party apps like Hashtagify can help you identify what's hot. For example, if you are creating a dance video, using hashtags like #DanceChallenge or #ViralDance can help you ride the wave of trending content. Mix popular and niche hashtags. While popular hashtags like #FIP4U page or #viral can increase your reach, they're also highly competitive. Pair them with niche hashtags that are specific to your content. For instance, if you're posting a cooking video, combine #foodie with #quick recipes or #vegan cooking to target a more focused audience. Create a branded hashtag. If you are building a personal brand or promoting a business, create a unique hashtag that represents your identity. Encourage your followers to use it when sharing related content. For example, fitness influencers often use hashtags like #fit with your name to build a community around their brand. Keep it relevant. Avoid using irrelevant hashtags just because they're popular. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok prioritize content that aligns with the hashtags used. Irrelevant hashtags can lead to lower engagement or even shadow banning. Use platform-specific hashtags. Each platform has its own hashtag culture. For example, TikTok focus on trending challenges and sounds with hashtags like #TikTokTrend or #FIP. Instagram use a mix of broad and specific hashtags, such as #Instagood or #TravelGram. YouTube, while hashtags are less prominent, they can still help with discoverability. Use them in your video title or description. Leverage seasonal and event-based hashtags. Capitalize on holidays, events, or seasons to make your content timely and relevant. For example, during Halloween, hashtags like #SpookySeason or #HalloweenVibes can help your video gain traction. Don't overdo it. While hashtags are powerful, using too many can look spammy. Stick to a reasonable number, 5 to 10 on Instagram, 3 to 5 on TikTok, and focus on quality over quantity. Engage with hashtag communities. Don't just post and forget. Engage with other posts under the same hashtags by liking, commenting, and sharing. This increases your visibility and builds relationships with potential followers. Examples of viral hashtag strategies. Challenge hashtags. Participate in viral challenges like #IceBucketChallenge or #RenegadeDance. These often have built-in ID, location-based hashtags. If your video is tied to a specific place, use hashtags like #NYC or #ExploreParis to attract local viewers. Emotion-driven hashtags. Tap into emotions with hashtags like #FeelGood or #Inspiration. These resonate with a broad audience and encourage shares. Final thoughts. Hashtags are a simple yet incredibly effective way to amplify your video's reach and increase its chances of going viral. However, they are just one piece of the puzzle. To truly succeed, pair your hashtag strategy with high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Stay consistent, experiment with different hashtags, and keep an eye on trends to stay ahead of the game. Remember, virality isn't just about luck, it's about strategy, creativity, and understanding your audience. So, start hashtagging wisely and watch your videos soar.